Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about series basic functionalities. So what are the basic functionalities that series contain? Okay, so in the previous classes we have discussed about series. Okay, so in this particular video we are going to learn about the attributes or methods of series. Okay, so the first attribute is access. So here access attribute is used to return the list of rows access labels. Okay, so series is used to accept the data and arrange those data in a column wise. Okay, so one column wise. So here access is used to return the list of rows. Okay, so here the list of rows of one series. Next, D type is used to return the data type of series. Okay, for example, if we store 1, 2, 3 like this, so it will return integer. Okay, so if we store 1.0, 2.0 like this, it will return float. Next, empty. Empty attribute is used to return true if the series is empty. Okay, so in this case this series is not true, so that's why it will return false. Okay, so if the series is true empty, it will return true. If it is not empty, it will return false. Okay, so next one is endim. Endim is used to return the number of dimensions. Okay, whether it is 0 dimension or 1 dimension or 2 dimensions. Okay, like this. Next, size is used to return the number of elements. So here the number of elements are 4, so that's why the size of the series is 4. Next, values. So values is used to return the values. So here the values are 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, head is used to return the first n rows. For example, head of 2, it will return first 2 rows. Okay, next, tail. Tail function is used to return last n rows, last n number of rows. For example, tail of 2, it will return last 2 rows. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. The first one is empty. So we already discussed empty means it returns the boolean value saying whether the object is empty or not. If the series is empty, it will return true. If the series is not empty, it will return false. Next, endim. Endim is used to return the number of dimensions of series. By definition, a series is a one data structure, 1D data structure. Okay, so series always used to store one dimensional data, so that's why the number of dimensions for series is always 1. Next one is size. Size is used to return the length of the series, means number of values. Okay, values is used to return the actual data in the series. Okay, next, head and tail. So we already discussed head is a function and as well as tail is a function. Head function is used to return the first n number of rows and tail is used to return the last n number of rows. Okay, if we didn't specify the number of rows or number of rows for head or number of rows for tail, it will return by default first 5 rows. Okay, and for tail it will return the last 5 rows. Okay, 5 elements. Let's see the example. Okay, so first I am taking one library, that is numpy. So first we need to import numpy as np, and then I am creating one series. S is equals to td dot series of 10, 20, 30, 40. So here series is a function. Okay, series is a function. So it is an inbuilt function in pandas. Okay, so that's why pd dot series. So here you need to import one more library, that is import pandas as pd. Okay, so import pandas as pd. After that pd dot series of, so here I am taken list because lists are represented in square brackets. So in the previous classes we have discussed about series creation For series creation, we can use list, we can use tuples, set, dictionary, and arrays or scalars. Okay. So I'm created one series. So series elements are stored in a column wise. So here 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, these are the elements. Next, labels. So here labels by default 0, 1, 2, 3. Labels are nothing but index values. Next, I am printing. So it will display 10, 20, 30 and 40. Next, I am performing the operations. I am performing the functions. Okay. So here it contains one attribute that is empty. So what is the function of empty? Empty is used to check whether the series is empty or not. Okay. So is the object is empty or not. So which object? Yes. So the data is stored in S. So that's why S dot empty. Okay. So it will return false because the series contain the elements, it is not empty. Okay, so next I'm displaying the dimensions. Okay, so series always accept one dimensional data, so that's why it will return 1. Next, size is used to return the number of elements. So here the number of elements 1 2 3 4, so that's why it will return 4. Okay, s dot size, s dot ending, s dot empty, and s dot values. So it will return the actual values. Those are 10, 20, 30, 40. And next, s dot head. So if you observe here, empty, ending, size and values are attributes. Head and tail are functions. Okay, head function is used to return the first two rows. Okay, because we specified here 2. So that's why it will return 10, 20, 10 and 20. Next, tail is used to return last two rows. Those are 30 and 40. Okay. So in this way we can apply the functions of series. Okay. So this is the output. So first we are displaying the actual data 10, 20, 30, 40. Next the data type is int. Okay. After that I am checking whether the object is empty or not. So here it contains the elements. So that's why it is not empty. So it will return false. And number of dimensions are 1. Size is 4. Actual data is 10, 20, 30, 40. First 2 rows and last 2 rows. Okay. So in this way we can perform the operations on series. Okay. So these are the important attributes of series. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.